Hey, DX Coupe here with another video. So, I want to replace this outer window trim here. I think it's called the belt molding. I couldn't find any YouTube videos about this. I think what you have to do is take the driver's side mirror off here, and then I think the molding kind of slides in here, so you have to like take it off to access it. And then I have this tool. It looks like they have these clips here, and they go all along the outer trim here. I got this tool that kind of pull up on it and squeeze it at the same time. So if you look at this, it's kind of like it's got a handle on it. And then also this thing right here. So this is what kind of like grabs onto it and you pull it up, and hopefully that'll work. If not, you can probably use a screwdriver or whatever. Okay, so let's take this off. Looks like it's got some kind of gasket. Whoa. Kind of dirty in there. Rust? Oh. Probably replace that at some point. Actually, the new one, this is where the window track goes through. But you can see. So now this is exposed right here. You can see where the mirror goes over it. You might not have to take it out, but just to be safe, so it doesn't break when I pull this out, because I might want to save this and like respray it with some kind of like rubbery spray, spray paint. So yeah, here it is. Got my tool here. I'm gonna try pulling up on this. Looks like I got it. Yeah, it's coming up as I'm pulling on this. The window might be tricky, so if you really want to, I guess you could take the window out, but that would be kind of extra work, right? So, trying not to scratch anything too, but I think I'm good. Nice. Fully intact. Not bent or anything. I hear if you bend these things, you can't really get them bent back, so just be careful when you're taking it out. So after prying, looks like it worked. Probably use a screwdriver or something, but I wanted to be extra careful and just so I could repurpose this thing. But looks like it came out. At this point, you kind of have to, actually it's on wrong. Over here, it's kind of like these green clips reach underneath the metal here, and that's what keeps them in place. Cool. So yeah, that's how you do it.